Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. I'm gonna be making some series on how to make jewelry with vinyl. I've been using this vinyl to embroider and to heat apply it on shirts. As many of you know, I incorporated to my business custom t-shirts. So while I've been doing this, I thought it was gonna be a great idea to incorporate the vinyl. So I start working on it, and as you can see, I come up with this component, and I'm going to make a pair of earrings, make a ring, bracelet. I don't know yet. I have a lot of ideas on what I'm going to be making, but for now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this vinyl. So the vinyl comes in sheets, and this is the glitter flake, and it comes with a carrier. In order to use it like for embroidery or for jewelry, you have to remove the carrier. So the carrier comes like if you heat apply it in a shirt, you heat apply with the carrier, and then when the vinyl sticks to your shirt, then you remove the carrier. To make jewelry, we're gonna remove the carrier, and then we are going to start adding our beads. This is a leftover that I had for a crown. I made a shirt, princess shirt, and it has a crown. So as you can see, I have all these leftovers, and I save them because I can use them for embroidery. So while you're using vinyl, you don't wanna discard the leftovers, because like sometimes you're gonna be using little pieces that you can be attaching this. We are going to start, and the materials are going to be in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. To start, we are going to cut 2 squares of glitter flake, and I remove the plastic. I'm gonna show you how it comes like this. And all these pieces, they're leftovers from the shirt that I'm selling. It comes like this. Like when you're gonna heat apply it, you gotta leave it like this. You gotta leave it like that with the carrier. Then you put in the shirt, and once you heat apply, then you remove the carrier, and the glitter flake stays on the shirt. And for anything that we're gonna do in jewelry, we're gonna have to remove the carrier, because we cannot, the carrier is used to hold the glitter flake. As you can see, this is how you take it off, and you end up with like right here. This is a crown shirt that I made, and as you can see, like from these pieces, I saved my glitter flake, because even for embroidery, you can use the leftovers. So I just put my square, and what I did is I cut like about an inch. So then I have some denim, or you can use any type of fabric. I'm going to be using my mini press and my mat. I have my A to C, but since it's just a little piece, I'm not going to be using that. So I'm going to put one of these glitter flakes like this. I'm gonna put my denim, and I'm going to put the other one in on the top. So we are making a sandwich, and the sticky part, it's facing inside. Okay, so I'm going to use a cover sheet to place it so I don't stain my mat. And I have another one right here. These cover sheets, the little ones, you get them like if you order samples from Stolls. So you just go to stolls.com and click samples, and they actually send you the sample so you can heat apply, whichever, like this one is Gorilla Grip. They send you the sample that you can heat press into a shirt, a sweater, whatever you want to. And they send you also the cover sheet, because you need to put a cover sheet, but that is a different tutorial. If you are interested in heat applying, you can visit my other channel. So we are going to set this, because we don't want to stain our heat our mini cricket or our mat. So I think I move it. Okay, no, it's fine. So we're just gonna put the mini press and gonna press, and it's supposed to be for 12 seconds. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And as you can see, it's all stuck to the denim. So the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to cut it really careful to kind of make it a little bit more straight. As you can see, it's all attached in both sides. And now we can start adding our beads. You can make whatever you want. It's just like embroidery. You just add the brick stitch or like the embellish at the end, just like if you do an embroidery. So let's go ahead and move to the other camera so I can show you how I made the component that I show you at the beginning. Okay, so this is what we have. So what we are going to do, we are going to sew we are going to leave just a little piece of tail. I'm going to grab an 11/0. I'm going to sew through the same place and I'm going to pull. This is what you should have. We are going to sew from this side up through the bead, and this will make my bead sit flat. Okay, we are going to pick up one of the lilac through our vinyl. We are going to pull and we are going to sew through our bead coming from the right side again. We are going to grab another bead and we are going to continue this way until we add 3 times 3 beads. So we start all over. We sew from the back. Pick up a bead. This is what you should have. It's amazing. I love this technique. Right now, so we can move to the other side, we are going to sew down through the previous bead. And right here, we can sew up through this bead just to make it stay in place. We're gonna sew down through the bead. We are going to sew down like where we sew to add the bead. And right now our thread is coming from here, so we are going to sew through the same hole where we sew through to add this bead right here. Right now we are going to start adding our beads the same way we did before, and we are going to repeat these steps all around. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a pair of earrings with this component that we're making. I'm going to be making a series of jewelry with vinyl, and you can purchase it on my website if you want to. Also, you can go to stalls.com and buy it there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. I also think it's a great idea so we can incorporate while we designing our jewelry. Let me know what you think. Please leave your comments. Tell me whether you like it or not, and share this video with your friends. We all need to try new things, and I think this could be a great alternative if you don't have that much money to spend on beads, because the vinyl is not that expensive. And there's all different kinds, like you can request your samples like I said on stalls.com, and see you on the next video. Thank you.